Hi all, welcome back. So today is 22nd November 2022 and markets are already closed for the day. So in this video, let us try to analyze the Nifty and Bank Nifty charts and see how they performed today. And let's try to give an assumption or an expectation that what it can happen tomorrow. Okay, so for that, let me go to the charts directly. So this is the Nifty 5-minute time frame chart. Okay, and I have plotted these levels as we are seeing a good support and resistance at these levels. So I will explain you why I have plotted these three levels. So this is the level where Nifty got rejected earlier, I mean on 1st November. So Nifty reached up to this point and it fell down, and again it reached that same point and again it fell down. Again on 7th November also opening was above that level, but again it fell down. And again it struggled, Nifty struggled at this level to break this and keep going from there. So after multiple attempts and after falling down to this level, one gap up opening has happened, and from there on it stayed there for a long time. So almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 1 week duration they traded in a range only. And after trading in that range, if you see in during that range, it got support at this level and it got resistance at this level. If I zoom, you can understand it clearly. So this level we have plotted because after getting a gap up opening, it took support at this level only and it started going up, and again it fell down to the same level and again it went up, and after falling that level it got rejected there and again it fell down. So this is the support and resistance for now, and this is also resistance where it tried multiple times to break, but unfortunately it failed there. So that's the reason we have plotted these three levels as the key levels for the Nifty. And until it trades in this zone, these three levels will be still active, and we have to keep monitoring very closely, or we have to keep watching it very closely and see how it is behaving at these three levels. Okay, and even if you see today's price action, today this is today's price action, 22nd November, and the gap up, or there was a gap up opening and it opened above the support level which we have drawn here. But initial first 5 minutes or 10 minutes it fell down, but again immediately the buyers brought it up towards the high. So that is a good sign here. I mean, that means there is a huge demand. That's what we can understand with the move they give. So immediately once first two candles, I mean first 5-minute candle and first next 5-minute candle fell down, but immediately buyers reacted and they started making an upward movement in a straight. If you see the rally also, the way they picked up from there, so continuous buying from there, so that shows the buying demand over that level. So that is a good sign that this support is still working very well for the buyers. And coming to the closing of the day, if you see the during the price action, I mean during the day today, what I observed here is the after reaching to this point from here, they started buying from here to here, and they kept the Nifty in that zone for almost 4 hours 40 minutes roughly. And even if I extend it, maybe somewhat around 5 hours duration. So 5-hour duration it's spent here only. So that is somewhat making a negative sense for me, because it should have keep going continuously. This move, whatever the move which we are seeing, it has happened in the last half an hour or 45 minutes duration. But during during this 4 hours duration, the buyers have failed to make this kind of move. Okay, they failed to make this kind of move, but during end of the day, they managed to close it at a good level, and it was a complete bullish candle if you see in the daily time frame. So let me go to daily time frame and see the candle closing. So it's a very good bullish candle. That's what we are seeing in the daily time frame. But what we are seeing in the lower time frame is the move is very much it struggled a lot, but that's what we are seeing during the day. Almost 4 hours buyers struggled to give or to take the Nifty towards the upside direction, but end of the day, they managed it. So for now, what we can tell here is, even tomorrow also, there is a chance that Nifty may trade in this zone only, or possibilities they may reach to this level. They may try to reach it to that level and they come down or stay here only, because what I'm seeing is Nifty is struggling very, very horribly, because it is trading, it is trading almost closer to the all-time high level, that is 18,600. So with the black line which I have plotted there, so 18,600 is the all-time high level. It is trading very closer to it, but it is unable to break it immediately. That is what we are seeing, and it is very struggling very much. If you see the duration, almost 12 days, 18 hours, roughly 13 days. Okay, so 13 days it's spent in this zone, and still they were unable to, in these 13 days, they are unable to reach or break the all-time high. So that is a negative sign with bigger picture or macro picture. Okay, so if in case what we are seeing is, if Nifty tomorrow, if it opens gap down opening or a flat opening, assume if it is a flat opening or a gap down opening, then 1 minute. Okay, if tomorrow, if there is a flat opening or a gap down opening, so buyers should make this move. They should complete this move, or they should reach this level immediately, so that it should show the sign of the buyer's intention over there. Otherwise, again, there is a chance that tomorrow also they may struggle to reach the Nifty to this level. So to avoid that struggle to reach this level, they have to make this move or complete this move either in first 5 to 10 minutes, or through gap up, a little gap up opening or flat opening. So in that way, they have to complete this move. Otherwise, if they take time to reach this level, then it may be very tough for the buyers, because we have seen that today the sellers have tried a lot to make a Nifty not to go up. So this this complete consolidation zone is giving a negative impression for the buyers. But okay, maybe tomorrow they may not give the chance to the sellers. So we hope that buying still continues. Okay, buying still continues. Don't look for the selling option. Still there are chances for the buying only. But the buying side, we have to see the strong momentum, not like a struggling move or a very slow move. It should be like a good move, like whatever we are seeing here, right? During end of the day and during first 1 hour of the day. So it should be something like that. A strong move towards the upside direction will be giving a confidence to the buyers. And also, we can expect a strong move towards the all-time high zone also. So for tomorrow, what we can tell is this particular level is very important. Okay, so chances are there that Nifty may be trading in this zone only tomorrow also, until unless if there is a huge gap down. Sorry, huge gap up opening, until unless if it opens somewhere above this level. Okay, if it opens somewhere above this level, then this level will be very important, and we have to see whether it is giving support or not. Otherwise, it may come down again and it may trade in this zone only. So flat opening, gap down opening, there are chances that Nifty may be in this zone only. Only the gap up opening, that a huge gap up opening, should give the opening somewhere here, and it should take the support at this level. So that kind of move will be very much favorable to the buyers, and we can be somewhat more confident on the expectation that it will go to all-time highs, right? So only huge gap up opening will be giving the confidence tomorrow. Otherwise, we have to be very careful and see how to take the position. So most possibly, it may be in this zone only. So this is what we are expecting on this Nifty 5-minute time frame chart. So let us see what will happen tomorrow, and okay, let us see what will happen tomorrow. Okay, so next, coming to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, so this level, I have already plotted these levels. I will explain you again. So this black line is a all-time high level, which it was earlier. I mean, it is an old all-time high level that is around 41,800, and it's broken that Bank Nifty is trading above the all-time high level, and it is trying to make a new all-time record high. So now this level, whatever the level which is we are seeing at the top, that red line is the all-time record high now for the Bank Nifty. That is around 42,500 or 550 level, roughly. So in that zone, we can consider the zone as not a level, but the better to say is a zone that is somewhere around 42,500 to 600 level. Zone is the new all-time record high for the Bank Nifty. It reached that level and it fell down. So we are seeing a downward movement here. But one good thing is buyers immediately acted there. I mean, today there was a huge gap up opening. I thought that when I've seen a good gap up opening today, I thought they will immediately go to that all time. I mean, they will immediately go to this level again. But unfortunately, it struggled a lot here also. So even if you see, it fell down for almost first 2 to 3 hours. Sellers brought it down back. They did not allow the buyers to take it up, right? And here also we are seeing a huge fight or struggle between the buyers and sellers. So this zone has taken a lot of time during the day, and they did not give any clue that whether it will go up or whether it will come down. But okay, finally, during last few minutes or 15 to 20 minutes, they managed to go up and break it or close it above that consolidation zone. But we are seeing some sort of struggle in the moving towards the upside direction. So that is giving a negative sign here also. But for tomorrow, what we can tell here is there are more chances that Bank Nifty may be in this zone only, maybe until unless if there is not a huge gap up opening, until unless if it not open somewhere above here. So there are chances that Bank Nifty may be trading in this zone. This zone is between all-time record high zone, I mean level, and this level. This is a support and resistance level which we have plotted. Reason is this level, from this level only Bank Nifty fell down and it went up above that level, and it struggled to break. If you see here, on 18th November and 21st November, it struggled to break that level, and finally today they got an opening above that level and they maintain that support. So that means it is giving a good support and resistance. That's what we can tell in the by seeing the price action. So possibilities are there that Bank Nifty may be play in this zone for tomorrow, until unless if there is not a huge gap up opening, or if it I mean only gap up opening will be making a different scenario. Until that, if that is not the case, then there are chances that it may break it, or it may spend time there and it may fall down again, or some other chances tomorrow also they may fall again and they may go up. So chances are there, it can do anything in this zone, either coming up and going down or going up and coming down. But most possibly it may be will trade in this zone only between 42,500 and 42,300 level. So these 200 points zone will be very much possibilities for the Bank Nifty. And in this zone particularly, buyers will be very much stronger. So don't take, if Bank Nifty, if you're seeing a downward movement in the Bank Nifty tomorrow, don't take any sell positions. I can suggest that, because don't know at what point of time buyers will come in and take away the Bank Nifty to the new high. So don't take or don't think about the selling at the moment, until unless if it comes down this level. Okay, so if this is the level it took support, right, from last 2 days, I mean day before yesterday, 1 minute. So day before yesterday and yesterday it got a heavy support at that level. So until Bank Nifty is trading above the support level, then it is very much favorable to the buyers only. So I suggest you don't take any or don't think about the selling Bank Nifty at the moment, and look for the buying option only, and look for the price action where you are getting confident to take the buy position. So Bank Nifty and Nifty, we should be looking for buying option only at the moment, though we are seeing that buyers are getting some sort of pressure from the sellers, but still they are looking good. So that is what we are seeing in the both Bank Nifty and Nifty. So to give an overview again. So Nifty, we have got two levels. So most 90% chances are there for Nifty to trade between 18,300 and between 18,150. Okay, so 18 to this level and this level, there are more chances that Nifty may be trading in this zone tomorrow. And for Bank Nifty, we have got two levels, that is 42,500 and 42,300. So these two levels for the Bank Nifty. So I hope this will be very much helpful for you and your plan for the tomorrow's intraday position also. So I hope it will be very much helpful. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.